Are you looking to remove your phone number from FaceTime on your iPhone? Whether you're switching to an email address or no longer want your number associated with FaceTime, removing it is simple. This guide will show you exactly how to unlike your phone number from FaceTime, and these steps will 100% solve your issue. This guide will show you exactly how to unlink your phone number from FaceTime, and these steps will 100% solve your issue. Solution 1. Remove number from FaceTime. Here's how you can remove your phone number from FaceTime. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap Apple ID, tap Sign In and Security, select the number, tap Remove from Account. Quickly after that, open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, and tap on FaceTime. Under You Can Be Reached by FaceTime at Locate Your Phone Number, and check your phone number to remove it from FaceTime. Only select your iCloud account to activate your FaceTime with your Apple ID. After that, your number will be removed from your FaceTime. But if this still shows you the number, open Settings, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap Log Out. After that, re-log into your Apple ID. By following these steps, you can easily remove your phone number from FaceTime. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and stay tuned for the next video.